short video. I'm going to try and make it short since it is Zulu, normal traditional beer. So this is what you're going to need. It's 1 kg of umbila. This imtombo yamabele. And this is impopetro again. So okay, first thing first, let's mix everything together. I also have hot water on the stove. Mix this. Add this. Add it to 1 kg now. And we're just gonna mix it all together before scissors yeah, let's mix, and then we'll add some hot water. Mix it until kuzohlangane nje kahle. So uyakwazi ukuthi ufake amanzi abandayo, but I prefer using hot water ukuze ikwazi ukusheshe sibile sisheshe sihlangane kahle. So best option, use hot water. Continue mixing kuze kuhlangane futhi nakhona. Continue mixing uzobona nawo kuzokuhlangana. So yabo sesigoqozile yahlangana. Make sure at the bottom that everything is mixed up, everything is right. You see the consistency njani yamanzi manje. Yeah. Qhubeke nje uzogoqoza ukuhlangana. Don't see anything at the bottom, no white things. Ngayibona umthombo wodwa la umbila, umthombo amabele wodwa, impuphu yonke. Everything needs to come together. So mix. You're gonna kubalekeni. Yeah, so this is the end of part 1. Posted part 2 when we are about to cook it. Uzibe parishi, and then the next step is masisi, masisi vova. So yeah.